Hey everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how to report a problem with a place while using the iOverlander app. For example, if the place is closed, the details are wrong, or it's in the wrong location. I'm going to launch the app and the app will open up on the Explorer screen. First, I'm going to make sure I am logged in. From the Explorer screen, I'm going to tap on the hamburger menu in the top left and then scroll all the way down and look at my login status. I'm going to tap on the screen again to go back to the Explorer screen. Now, to report a problem with a place, you need to go to the place details page. To do that, simply tap on the pin and then tap on the information bar at the bottom. This opens up the place details page. If you need more information on how the place details page works and looks, see the link to that video below. In order to report a problem with a place, you need to be on this place details page, and then at the very bottom of the screen, you can tap on the blue button that says something wrong. Now this gives you a couple of options. The first option is to make an edit. This is like a check-in. The video for that is in the description below as well. We are going to tap on report a problem. This gives you several options. Completing and submitting any of these options will trigger a task for the moderation team to update and investigate this place. So let's go through them all. If a place is closed or it does not exist, you can simply tap on the first option. You will need to add a short message here for the moderation team to take the appropriate actions. Please don't mark a place as closed unless it is permanently closed or does not exist. Once you're satisfied, you can tap on the Done button. I'm going to go back to the previous screen by tapping on the arrow. If the place is in the wrong location, you can update the location by tapping the next option. This will give you a couple of different options. The first one, if you do not know the location, you can simply tap on the No button and then confirm your selection. If you do know the location or you are currently at the location, you can tap on the Yes button. This will give you the opportunity to use your phone's GPS to update the location. You can simply tap on Use My GPS and the app will do the rest. Or you can manually enter the coordinates or simply select the spot by using the map. I'm going to tap the back button again to go back to the previous screen. Now, if the place is a duplicate, you can report that by tapping on Duplicate. Then simply selecting one of the places that you believe is the correct place, and then tapping on Done. This will flag it for the moderation team to investigate closer. I'm going to go back to the previous screen again. If the information in the place is wrong, you can tap on the next option that says Incorrect Information. This is the same as making a correction to the place. You can simply follow the screens and correct the details as needed. Lastly, there is the option to report something else wrong with the location. This is particularly handy if a place is illegal, it's dangerous, or there's something else that you need the moderation team to be aware of. Simply tap on that option and then enter a detailed comment for us so we can investigate and take the appropriate actions as needed. So that is how you report a problem with a place using the app. Please remember that any changes and reports take about 2 weeks to display on other devices. Let us know what you think in the comments below or send us an email to support@ioverlander.com. Thank you for watching.